Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you another brief update. This is the 1971 Ford Maverick. I guess we'll just refer to it as the Resto mod. In an earlier video, we kind of teased you a little bit with this rear quarter panel because basically what we've done, for those of you who haven't seen earlier videos, this is our client that owns this vehicle. He got it right when he was in high school, and he's kept it all the way along. So what we've done is basically it's been transplanted with a little more attitude. So it has a Coyote driveline and a Mustang rear end. So I believe it was a 2014 Mustang GT donor. So what we did is we have the engine, transmission, the complete driveline and rear end and braking, and we have that installed on this Maverick, and now we've done these custom wide bodies. So none of this is fiberglass. This is all metal. So what we've done is basically brought the whole quarter panel out. You can see the progress here. This is just kind of tacked in for the mock-up. So being a wide body, we didn't want to have the quarter panel come out and then not taper into the rocker panel or just kind of stop there. So what we've done is we've kind of worked it in, so essentially about the same dimensions from the back tire to the rear fascia or that filler panel. It's roughly 19 or 20 inches. We've done the same kind of contrast going to the front, so it's roughly about 19 inches. So aesthetically it's going to look better, I think. So the guys are just tacking these panels on, and then you can see the front. So it's no longer, so the camera person goes around to the driver's side, you can see we've totally changed the lines, but it's still identified as a Maverick in the front. It's very important we didn't change the nose. So this is your factory. You can see where it has a little bit of a ridge, but they're known for having this, basically this flat area for the rear. Same thing on that rear quarter panel. All the Mavericks and Comets had the same kind of line here where it kind of tapers in. It's quite wide and almost flat, and same idea for the front. So I didn't really care for that too much because when we're doing the wide body stance, now when you stand basically at the front and look straight down, you can still identify it as a Maverick in the front with the headlights surround and that front portion, but now you have this flare, and that's a lot of work to change that body line and create a wheel well that folds over, that's nice and strong, and it's also rounded. It tapers out a little bit, which might not show up in the video, but basically this had been widened at the bottom portion, and then that's going to tie in with the door and the rocker. So what they're doing next, and we'll just share with you another video soon, they're now working on the door, because the door was in bad shape, a lot of body filler in it. So they're going to cut the bottom half of the door skin itself. They're going to basically remove it. We're going to make our own door skin, and then we're going to build out the door so that the actual door itself will be the same body line as what we have here in the quarter panel. So this whole Maverick will transform into a true wide body, but not fiberglass or body filler. It's all going to be metal. So it's kind of going the way we wanted to go in terms of vision. We still have to work on the hood and come up with a creation there, but it's quite nice now because if the camera person shows you the front wheel well on this front fender, the lip and the taper, it matches exactly to the rear quarter panel. So we've subtly changed some of the lines, but it's very important that it's still identified as a Maverick. So the rear of the vehicle where the filler panel is, we're going to retain the same tail lights and style. We'll accentuate the spoiler in the lower part of that fascia. And on the front, it's still going to be identified as a Maverick, but we're going to be doing a lower chin spoiler and giving it a wider appearance and bigger wheels. You'll need all that because when you have a Coyote motor with a 6-speed manual, you're going to want to have the body to go with the drivetrain. So in our next video, we'll share with you what it looks like with the custom-made door. So this is the 1971 Ford Maverick Resto mod, and I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.